So this is the finished product. I was hoping that this camera would show the colors a little bit better, but this is just simply I chain stitch 32 and then I single crochet 31 and I did 44 rows, and then I slip stitched each end of the panel together, and then I darned the top of it to bring a drawstring the top of it together, add a little bit of fun of a palm and a little bit of trim on the bottom, just doing the back loops, slip stitch on the top of that, and there you go, a nice warm Chennille. It's a lime green Chennille hat, and there you go, finished product. Ta-da! What do you think? Comments, please. Do you like this color green with this lime for the fun fur yarn trim?